What's good, my people? I'm back again with another one. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get the subscribers up. Everything, likes, comments, the lot. So no introduction needed on the box. You know what it is, New Balance. We will look at the label. The label is U9060GRY, USA 11D, medium moyen, 10.5 UK, 45 Europe. I think New Balance labels are all over the place, but what can I do, man? Let's just talk about the shoe. Good old paper, and we've got the shoe. So this one was kind of a popular demand, I'd like to say, but they were on my list anyway for everyone. The New Balance 9060, alongside the 2002R, the 1906R, 1906, whichever one they are. This is very popular now as well, the 9060. We'll just run through the colors, etc. So the sole, we've got this sole. It's also on the same sole on the other colorway that I've reviewed. So it's the black bits with the red diamonds, 6 of them. Quite a different sole, to be honest. We don't usually see a sole like this on any shoe. Pretty different. It does say New Balance. Then the sole, one part of it has this, like, it's a rubber, this grey rubber at the bottom. The grey rubber. Then above it, it's got like a grey foam, cream foam again, cream foam. Then the actual midsole, so not the actual sole, but the midsole bit, because it's kind of weird how it's made. The back bit is like this beige color, then it's white, so the actual midsole. Then on the back, we've got this plastic, like a U on the back, plastic. It does have like little design in it, if you can see that. And then on the back, I love New Balance suede, I have to be honest. It's so good. We've got this suede here, suede there. That is butter soft suede. More grey suede up here. Then it kind of splits, so it's dark grey on this side, then light grey on this side, kind of. More butter suede on the tongue. So on top of the toe box and around the toe box is all suede. Then we've got white mesh underneath, like where the toe box would be. What's funny is this mesh and this mesh is like slightly different. I don't know if you can see by like the hole size and the pattern, but it is like a different mesh on that side. So the inner is different mesh. Then we've got more suede, and then we've got the embroidered N, which I really like, to be honest. I wasn't a fan of before, but I really like it now. More suede, more mesh, and then the ABZORB, so the absorb on the side. On the back, we've got this like nubuck, and then it says NB for New Balance, their logo. And then on the tongue, it's got the NB9060, which is obviously the name of the shoe. On the tongue, we've got some mesh, bit of nubuck, and then leather towards the top with some creamish laces. On the inside, it's grey on the liner, and then the inside is dark grey. I really like this shoe, to be honest, man. Different materials, premium materials, you know, really nice shoe. Really good suede. Some companies don't use good suede like this. This is really good suede. The price point is kind of high, but at the same time, these days, everything's price point is crazy, man. There are loads of other colorways in this shoe, the 9060 or the 9060, whatever you want to call it. But this is one of the nice ones. There's the black pair that I've reviewed before, black and white as well. Pretty solid colorways, but this one, proper nice, man. I really like it. Probably rate it about 8 out of 10, or 9 out of 10 even. The comfort, I have to say, is amazing. They literally feel like you're walking on pillows, literally memory foam pillows. Comfort, you can't go wrong with the comfort. If they're uncomfortable, then I don't know, I'm gonna buy you like a burger or something if you find these uncomfortable. Very good shoe. I have a kind of wide foot, they do fit well. Sizing, I'll wear a 10 in Air Maxes, 9.5 in Jordan, and 9 in Air Forces. I usually wear like 10.5 in New Balance, 10 if I want them snug. This is a 10.5. I think half a size down, so a 10 would have been perfect in these, but I don't mind either way, so 10 to 10.5. It just depends on how you like the fit. So if I wanted them a bit more snug, I'd half size down, but I think they're alright for 10.5, slightly looser. But yeah, that's literally all for the review. Let me know what you think of the shoes. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the other videos that are up there. Wait for the on foot video that will drop separately, and also the on foot video that will be following this alongside the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care, my people.